The integration of the model of Azure and the SEMR is one of the significant ways to approach the classroom effectively. Hello guys, I'm Dhea Ayu Paramitha from TBA 4A, and I'm going to let you know my reflection after the learning process about integration of Azure and SEMR model in English language teaching. From the explanation from Group 1 that was being mentioned that Azure is an acronym and there are 6 steps of planning and learning. In the Azure model, I noticed that the material, the media for the learning process is not explicitly mentioned what kind of media needed to be used in the classroom. So it means that it depends on the teachers or the instructors to choose what kind of media they consider as the most effective way. And that's why we as the instructors need to be able to explore as many as possible so that we can find the best option that we can get after applying a certain method, for example. So it is really intriguing because it represents creativity, and both students and teachers need to be creative if we want to get the best potential that we can get. Okay, so I find many other examples of Azure or SEMR in lots of countries. One of the ways that in Russia that is used the integration of SEMR and TPACK, or the technological pedagogical content knowledge, and it means that there are various of ways of integration, not only Azure and SEMR, but can be SEMR and TPAC, or maybe others. Like there's lots of methods and we can use. By the learning process, we learn that Azure and SEMR is a very effective way to do the 21st century learning, but although they seems perfect, but are they? Like any other model, the Azure and the SEMR has their own weaknesses. For example, in the Azure, the weaknesses is especially in the efforts required by teachers. It's actually similar with the SEMR, and that's why, but it's like it requires real efforts from the instructor, while not all of it the instructors want to do certain effort. So it is still being a weaknesses. That the last message from me for like future digital teachers and current teachers right now is that it is the momentum for us to prove that they are wrong about what they are thinking about us, that especially my generation, we are underestimated so much by lots of people. My generation is not that negative as they think we are. We have great potential, so we are going to keep evaluating and improving in order to become the next leader for this world. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. See you.